What's up, guys? Welcome back. Rob Andolina from myppctraining.com. Today's video, I'm going to go through 4 different AdWords optimization tactics that you can employ into your campaign starting today. Hey guys, alright, so today we're going to go over 4 different AdWords optimization strategies that you can implement immediately. This is very high level stuff. It's not advanced. It's pretty much beginner focused. You should definitely be doing all 4 of these basically on a weekly basis, except for the ad tech stuff. And I'll get into that. So first things first, let's go right into it. Go into your campaign. First optimization tactic we're going to do is device bids. Make sure you have a nice data sampling. Usually you want to do last 30 to 60 days, so you have some data to comb through. Come down here to devices. Tactic number 1, we're going to optimize which devices are sending us the most leads at the price we like, and we're going to upbid those and drop the losers. So I don't really have a lot of data on this campaign, unfortunately. It's just something we turn on and off every now and then. But we have computer, tablet, and mobile. So you look at your data and you'll see, all right, I'm getting a lot of conversions from desktop. I'm not getting conversions from mobile, so I'll decrease bids on mobile and I'll increase bids on my desktop where all my leads are coming from. Now let's say tablets it's the same. I'll just increase the bids. I'm getting leads on tablet. Let's say I'll increase the bids a little bit too. So that's all you want to do. Is tactic number 1 is optimizing your device bids. And how you do that, you just come over here, click this. You can increase or decrease your bid percentage. And that's telling Google, I want to decrease by 25% or whatever. I recommend when you're increasing or decreasing bids that you do it in increments of 5%. Let it run a few days and see where you end up before just going crazy and going up 50% or 100% or whatever. So take away from this, look at your device bids. Look at the device traffic, I mean. Increase bids on what's doing well for you, decrease bids on what's killing you or wasting money. It's just as simple as that. The next strategy we're going to go into is your keyword bids. You can see here we have auto bid on, so we can't really change at the keyword level, but that's for another video. Most people watching this probably have manual CPC bid on, which is you're manually controlling your bids. So we're going to do the same drill we did with device bids. We're going to look at first sort by clicks. And if you don't have these columns, guys, just go up here to modify columns, and you can add all these columns in easily. Here, I'll show you how real quick. Performance, choose which columns you want to see. Conversions, choose them, hit apply. That's it. So we're going to do the same thing, okay? We're going to sort by clicks. We're going to look at which keywords are driving us leads, which ones are wasting money. My best practice, and this is just me, it's how I do it. If I have 15 clicks on a keyword and no conversions, I'm just pausing it. I'm not even wasting time with it. Some people do that at 5 clicks, 10 clicks, 25 clicks. It's really a personal preference. I'd rather just stop the bleeding as soon as possible instead of letting it continue. So all you're going to do is you're going to come in here, you're going to look at what's converting, and if it's an affordable conversion price for you, you're going to increase the bid on it. And if you look at you're getting clicks that are not converting, you're going to decrease the bids on those, or you're going to pause them if they're doing really terrible. And that's, you got to use your best judgment on that. Like I said, this is not an advanced video. It's just higher level stuff. And that's how you're going to optimize your keyword bids. And you're going to do this on a weekly basis along with your, device bids could be once a month, or it could be bi-weekly, or it could be weekly. It's really up to you. There is no best practice for it. We just do it whenever we take a peek back, at least 2 weeks. That's usually how we do it. People do it every week. People do it every other day. It can be insane. But anyway, so that's number 2. Number 3 is, as you probably guessed by now, is ad text. So let's go into ad groups. We'll go, and I just like to go into each ad group and do it. Compare to ads and extensions. And same drill with this, guys. We're going to look at which ads are converting, not which ads have the best click-through rate, CTR. Okay, and that's important, but that's not what we're going to optimize our ads based on. Because we can have an ad that has 17% click-through rate, and then an ad that has a 2% click-through rate, but is getting all the leads. So you want the leads. That's the whole point. Okay, so let's say this ad has 4 leads, this one has 2, these 2 have nothing, and they have clicks or impressions or whatever. We're going to pause the 2 losers, because we have 2 winners that are getting leads. We're going to pause the 2 losers and create 2 new ads with completely different ad text to run against the winners. You're going to do this on an every 30 to 60 day basis. Like I said, some people do this every week, every bi-weekly. It's really up to you. We do it usually every 60 days, every 30 or 60 days. It depends how new the campaign is or how long it's been running. So ad text optimization is tactic number 3. And the last tactic, number 4, probably one of the most important, is search term report, adding converting keywords and negativing out keywords that are wasting you money. So go into keywords, come up here, come over to search terms. Search term report is here. Now, what you might be wondering what this is, what we're looking at. Search term is the actual raw query that was typed into Google to trigger your ad. All right, you can see here we've added and excluded a few of these. I've done this video like 4 times already. So I'll kind of just walk you through it quickly. Usually, like, we don't have that much data here, so it's kind of hard to explain, but your campaign will look a lot different than this. You might have 100 or 200 keywords you're looking at here. So what you're going to do is just simply go through, look what's sending you leads, and if you're not already bidding on it, you're going to add it. Now, let's say we're not bidding on these, but they're sending us leads in the search term report. We're going to check the boxes. We're going to come up here, add as keyword. Very important here, guys. Make sure you put a match type on these keywords. Do not add them as broad match keywords because that's the default. That's Google's telling you. And you just do that simply by putting brackets around it for exact match or phrases around it for phrase match. You can really add it whichever exact or phrase match you want. I usually add them as exact match, and then you can see here it puts them in the appropriate ad group. You hit save, and you just added those keywords that converted for you that you weren't bidding on previously. Now let's say this keyword is has to do with software. We don't want anything to do with software, even though it sends a lead. It's probably not a great lead because it's somebody looking for a management software, or it could be someone who just was looking for software and then saw us and wanted to go. So it's kind of a wash, really, with this. But let's just, for time's sake, let's say we don't want this. Click that. I'm going to come up here. So you add as keyword, add as negative keyword. And you want to choose the campaign level. And it's going to automatically add it as an exact match negative keyword. You hit save, and it's going to exclude that. And whenever someone searches this exact keyword, our ads won't show for it again. Now, something to take away from this that's very powerful when you're going through your search terms report, you want to look for what I call root negative keywords. So what does that mean? Well, for looking through these keywords here, I mean, these all look really great besides the software one. So software is a root negative keyword that we don't want. Okay, we don't want any search query with the word software in it to show our ads. So what you would do is take that root keyword, come up here to negative keywords, click this little plus sign, make sure you add it to the campaign level, and we're going to drop it into negative keywords. So by doing that, we're telling Google, I don't want our ads to show at all if the search query that's typed into Google has the word software in it. Very important stuff. Hit save, and that's it. It's added to your negative keywords. So those are the 4 high-level optimization tactics. Like I said, this is not brain surgery. It's really basic stuff. I know for the really advanced guys, don't hate me. I'm sure you were looking for some crazy optimization tricks, but I'm going to save that stuff for a course. I'm not going to be dropping that stuff in here. So again, remember, it's device bids, keyword bids, ad text optimization, and adding converting keywords and negativing out keywords that are wasting money. All right, those are the 4. So if you have any questions, drop them below this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out the links in the description. I put some really cool stuff in there for you guys.